people will love it and hate it if it's a good building. If people are ambivalent, we've probably failed. So I hope that people love it and I hope that they hate it, because that means that we've done our job.
RMIT is a very unusual university because it's really concentrated on technology and design. And it has a range of design disciplines and a depth of experience in design practice that is quite unusual. I felt that the possibilities that came from that richness couldn't really be maximised unless we had some new space to do it. I think Design Hub's really important because of where it is on Swanston Street. I mean, it is on the spine, that deep symbolic spine of Melbourne.
You can't force an idea onto a client or force it onto a project, but in this case the client was looking for something innovative because it's a design research building.
And so there's a whole range of design disciplines that can find their home and can find new projects, new outcomes, new possibilities in that cross-disciplinary mix of research in the Design Hub.
And here we have information booths.
Yes.
And so from the entrance you'll see things poking out of the wall. These will be like big iPhones. Got a very supportive client right at the top with the Vice-Chancellor, and that's the best thing an architect can have because it liberates you and you know that you have the confidence of your client, and so you can return that loyalty with bravery, and that's what a client wants you there for. They want you to be there to be a risk taker and to be prepared to run to the edge of the cliff and jump.
I've been here 23 years. And over that time, I persuaded the university that it should take its mission seriously and be interested in experimental architecture. So we looked for architects who were ambitious, who were good lateral thinkers, and who could demonstrate that they could work with a difficult and complex client, which universities always are. It was clear to me that we were approaching the moment where we could actually add to our collection of wonderful buildings and kinds of buildings by getting one from Sean.
Because this is a bespoke building, so many parts of it are new. The skin had to be designed and built new, so required all sorts of testing. Even the use of relatively conventional industrial materials inside, they're used in an unconventional way. So the building was a challenging building while appearing on the surface to be a model of elegant simplicity. So I think that the building process has been challenging for everyone, but I think that the final product is glorious.